Good afternoon, it's Brittany from Auto Fair Honda here to show you the 2023 Honda Civic Sport. So you got this really sharp platinum white pearl color with LED headlights, laser cut black alloy rims with the Honda emblem inside. You have these really strong body lines running down the side. You also have a very spacious trunk area. Seats can also go down if you need more space. Got a spare in here as well. Push open capless gas filler. Black upholstery interior with leather trim. You have these really unique sport pedals in here. A touch screen with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. A bunch of different drive modes. Digital dash. You can take or make calls from right here at the steering wheel, and there's also the standard Honda safety and sensing features. You should definitely come in and take this for a test drive if you're interested. My name again is Brittany Smith. My phone number is 603-832-8761. I look forward to hearing from you, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much.